How to delete REDnote account. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to delete your REDnote account. Make sure to watch this video till the end without skipping any part, as I have tried my best to help you understand everything very clearly regarding your REDnote account deletion. Without further ado, let's get started. Open REDnote on your device, tap on the Me tab available at the bottom, then tap on the settings icon. On the settings page, select account security. At the very bottom, you will see account cancellation. Tap on it. Then it will ask you to verify your identity first. As you can see, everything is in Chinese, which makes it difficult to understand. However, if you are watching this video after a long time, then REDnote might have already translated this page into English. But for now, it's in Chinese, so to help us better understand, let's download Google Translate. Without closing the REDnote app, come back to the home screen, open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Then tap on the search icon at the bottom. Next, tap on the search bar, type in Google Translate and search for it. Select the first search result for Google Translate, tap the install button. The Google Translate app will start downloading on your device. Please note that the installation may take some time, so please be patient. Once the download is complete, tap the open button. Now we are all set to use Google Translate. Come back to the REDnote app again. Take a screenshot of this page, then open up Google Translate. At first, select the languages that you want to translate from and to. For that, tap on the first box on the left. This is the base language or original language that needs translation. So select the detect language option since we are unsure about the exact language. Then tap on the second box. Now select the language you prefer and want the translation in. You can scroll through the list of all the languages and select your preferred language. I will select English. Once you have set this language setting, tap on the camera option. Then tap on the image option. Now select the same screenshot you just took. As you can see, here is the translation of that Chinese page. You can either swipe up or swipe down for a better view. Based on the Google Translation, we can see that it is asking us to verify our identity at first. It is asking us to enter the verification code received by the mobile phone bound to the account for verification. Then it is showing our number. Next, there is a field to enter the confirmation code. Most importantly, we can see that we need to ask REDnote to send the verification code. Then we can tap on the next step button. Also, if we encounter any issues, we can seek help from the bottom. Based on this translation, let's proceed further. Come back to the REDnote app. For your ease, I have added the English translated page screenshot on the left. Tap on the Chinese version of send verification code. Then you will receive a verification code in your WhatsApp account. Enter that verification code, then tap the Chinese version of the next step button. After that, you will land on this page, which is again in Chinese. Take a screenshot, then come back to Google Translate. Now select the same screenshot you just took. As you can see, here is the translation of that Chinese page. You can either swipe up or swipe down for a better view. Based on the translation, we can see that we are currently on the important reminder page. Before cancelling or deleting the REDnote account, REDnote is asking us to read the below listed important reminders. The first point says that if you cancel or delete your account, you will be unable to log in or use the Shuang Hongshu account, also known as the REDnote account. It is also mentioned that all the associated login methods will be removed. The second point says that your account profile picture is reset to the default profile picture and your nickname is reset to user has been logged out. The third point says real name authentication information under your account will be removed. The fourth point says the personal information and historical information of this account will not be recovered. The fifth point says all authentication identities such as creators and enterprise accounts will be cancelled and cannot be restored. The sixth point says after cancellation of your account, Little Red Card membership will also get cancelled and cannot be restored. The seventh point says all assets and interest in the accounts are cleared. The last and final point says that you will be unable to continue transactions after sales and other processes in the mail once your account gets cancelled. In total, there are 8 important reminders. I hope you are clear about them all. Swipe up again for a better view. As you can see, at the bottom there are 2 things. One is a checkbox, which we will need to check to confirm that we have read and understood all the Shuang Hongshu, also known as the REDnote account cancellation instructions. Then there is a next step button that we need to click on to proceed. Based on this info, let's proceed further. Come back to the REDnote app. For your ease, I have added the English translated page screenshot on the left. Since we have already read about all the important reminders, we can now check the checkbox. Then finally, tap on the Chinese version of the next step button. After that, you will land on this page, which is again in Chinese. So take a screenshot, then come back to Google Translate. Now select the same screenshot you just took. As you can see, here is the translation of that Chinese page. You can either swipe up or swipe down for a better view. Based on the translation, we can see that we are currently on the cancellation application page. REDnote is asking us to select the reason for cancellation. You can select various reasons like have multiple accounts, register account again, I rarely use Shuanghongshu, also known as REDnote, and don't want to use it anymore, don't like the recommended content, too many ads, real name is occupied, or other reasons. You can even add a total of 3 picture evidence if needed, though it is optional. Then at the very end, you will see the confirm logout button. Based on this info, let's proceed further. Come back to the REDnote app. For your ease, I have added the English translated page screenshot on the left. Since we know that REDnote is asking for a reason for account cancellation, I will select the Chinese version of I rarely use Shuanghongshu, also known as REDnote, and don't want to use it anymore as the reason. If needed, you can add images, however, I am not adding any. Finally, tap the Chinese version of the confirm logout button. A Chinese confirmation pop-up will appear. Take a screenshot, then open up Google Translate. Select the same screenshot you just took. As you can see, here is the translation of that confirmation. Based on the translation, we can see that it is a confirmation pop-up regarding cancelling account. It is asking us whether we are sure about cancelling our REDnote account. It says that you cannot recover your REDnote account once after cancellation. If you are sure about it, you can either tap cancel or confirm to proceed further. Based on this translation, let's proceed further. For your ease, I have added the English translated page screenshot on the left. Finally, tap the Chinese version of confirm option and boom! You have successfully deleted your REDnote account. Please note that REDnote takes some time to delete or cancel your account permanently. Make sure you don't log into your account again as your account is currently in the deactivation phase. Once you don't log in for a certain number of days, which REDnote hasn't specified yet, they will proceed with account cancellation and delete your account. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.